we'll guide you through how to add a Gmail account to your desktop experience. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Gmail website by typing mail.google.com into the address bar. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, look to the top right corner where you should see your current profile icon, or an option to sign in if you're not already logged in. Click on the profile icon, and this will open a drop-down menu. Here, you'll see an option to add another account. Click on it, and a new window will pop up, prompting you to enter the email address of the account you want to add. Type in the email address and click Next. You'll then be asked to enter the password for that account. Type in the password and click Next again. If prompted, complete any additional security steps that might be required, such as two-factor authentication. Once you've done that, you'll be redirected back to the Gmail page, but now with the newly added account. To switch between accounts, click on your profile icon again. You will now see both accounts listed there. You can click on the account you want to access, and Gmail will switch to it instantly. This allows you to manage multiple Gmail accounts seamlessly without having to log out and back in each time. It's a great way to keep your work and personal emails separate while staying organized. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.